Let's talk about the first restaurant we visited in Seoul, South Korea. It's called Imun Seoulnongtang. It is the oldest restaurant in Seoul. To this day, it honors the tradition of boiling ox bones for 17 hours until the broth turns rich and opaque. Other cuts of beef are added to it for a milky, flavorful broth.
Like you said, it doesn't really taste like much.
Doesn't taste like, yeah.
The soup comes out just with the broth and everything in it, but no salt or other seasoning. So these are things that you have to add after you are served the meal.
Hey, honey. Now what does it taste like with everything?
Amazing. It's quite different from what we're used to in the United States. It has, I can tell there's a pure flavor of like broth that comes out after you put the salt and the green onions and the pepper and the kimchi. It all works very well.